Have you ever received a feedback like this one on your writing? Unclear focus. Needs better organization. Your ideas are good, but… I've graded hundreds of student paragraphs and I can tell you something surprising. Most paragraphs fail in the very first sentence. Not because the student is not smart, not because the ideas are bad, but because the topic sentence is weak. And here's the deeper problem. When your first sentence is unclear, your reader gets lost, teachers lose patience, examiners lower your score. Your ideas, even the brilliant ones, never get the attention they deserve. Today, in episode 3, we're fixing that. We're going to focus on the sentence that controls everything, the topic sentence. So, what is a topic sentence? A strong topic sentence has two main parts, the topic and the controlling idea. Let's make this simple. The topic is the general subject. It answers one question. What is the paragraph about? For example, online learning has changed education in many ways. The topic is online learning. Now, the controlling idea. This is the specific point you want to make about the topic. It controls what information you include and what information you do not include. In that same sentence, the controlling idea is has changed education in many ways. That means the paragraph should explain different changes. It should not suddenly discuss student friendships or campus food. Those ideas do not match the controlling idea. Clear, focused, controlled. Let's try another one. Regular exercise improves mental health. The topic is regular exercise. The controlling idea is improves mental health. So, the paragraph should explain how exercise reduces stress, improves mood, or increases energy. It should not focus on building muscles. That would be a different controlling idea. Now, let's look at strong examples. University students face several challenges during their first year. Clear topic, university students. Clear controlling idea, face several challenges during their first year. This works because it promises specific discussion. Social media can negatively affect teenagers' self-esteem. Again, clear topic, clear direction. This paragraph will explain how. Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health. Specific, focused, you know exactly what the paragraph will discuss. Learning a second language creates new career opportunities. This limits the paragraph to career benefits. Not travel, not culture. Protecting the environment requires action from both individuals and governments. This sentence even tells you how the paragraph will be organized. Individuals first, governments next. Notice something? Each sentence makes a clear claim, not a question, not a plan, not a fact, a claim. Now let's look at weak examples. In this paragraph, I will write about pollution. This is a declaration. It talks about the paragraph, not the idea. Readers do not care what you will write. They care about the idea itself. Why is sleep important? This is a question. A topic sentence should give an answer, not ask for one. If people exercise regularly, they will be healthier. This is an if sentence. It sounds conditional, not focused, so it feels unfinished. The Amazon rainforest is located in South America. This is only a fact. It gives information, but not direction. No argument, no controlling idea. Technology is important. Important how? For whom? Why? This is too broad. The reader cannot predict the paragraph. The most common problem is vagueness. Students think general sentences sound smart, but general sentences create weak paragraphs. Specific sentences create strong paragraphs. Now, let's talk about how to write a strong topic sentence. Step 1. Choose your topic. What is the general subject? Step 2. Decide your main point about that topic. What exactly do you want to say? Step 3. Combine them into one clear sentence. Step 4. Test it. Ask yourself, can I write 3 to 5 sentences that directly support this idea? If yes, your topic sentence works. If not, it is probably too broad. Now, let's practice. I want you to pause the video after each sentence and improve it yourself. Number 1. In this paragraph, I will write about pollution. Number 2. Why is sleep important? Number 3. Technology is useful. Ready for possible answers? For number 1, pollution causes serious health and environmental problems. Now we have a clear controlling idea. For number 2, getting enough sleep is essential for physical and mental health. This turns the question into a focused claim. For number 3, technology makes communication faster and more efficient in the workplace. This makes it specific, limited, and clear. Now identify the topic and controlling idea in these sentences. Volunteering helps young people develop valuable life skills. Online shopping has changed the way consumers buy products. These are the topics, and these are the controlling ideas. If you understood that easily, you are improving. And here is something important. This is not just about paragraphs. A strong topic sentence builds confidence. It shows control. It tells the reader, I know exactly what I am saying. Today we build the foundation. You will write with direction, and direction changes everything.